So hi everyone, this is April Monieva and I am the last reporter of Group A. So French benefit. Accounting entries. Accounting entries shall be classified as follows. Number 1. Taxable benefits paid for in cash or in kind. Example, housing allowance, company car provided for their personal use. Number 2. Taxable benefits do not involve payment of cash or transfer of property, like for example health insurance, meals provided at work. So 3. Exempt benefits paid for in cash or in kind. Example is employee contribution for retirement plans. 4. Exempt benefits which do not involve payment of cash or transfer of property. For example is commuter benefits. So nganong kailangan man buhatonan ni employer sa iyang employee nga manghatag siya og mga free meals, mga ingana-ingana sa iyang mga employee, mga insurances. So it because para magstay sila sa iyang company. So benefits paid for in cash or in kind. Taxpayers shall record French benefits paid for in cash or in kind their books as follows. French benefits expense monetary value. French benefits tax expense cash or tax basis of property given. French benefits tax payable. So, illustration 1. Rental accommodation. Plato Corporation paid $91,000 for the rental of housing unit for the use of its residents. So, French benefit expense is 91,000 and French benefit tax expense is 24,500 pesos. Cash is 91,000. French benefit tax payable is 24,500 pesos. The French benefit tax payable expense is you should multiply the 91,000 times 50%, then times to 35%, and then divided by to 65%, and then the result is 24,500 pesos. So illustration 2. Transfer for ownership over properties. Aristotle Company transferred over ownership over a newly acquired investment property costing 1,200,000 pesos as resident of its supervisory employee. The property has a zonal value of 1,300,000 pesos. Then French benefit expense is 1,200,000 pesos. And then the French benefits tax expense is 700,000 pesos. To get the 700,000 pesos is you should multiply the 1,300,000 pesos times 35% times 35% divided by 65% and you'll get the 700,000 pesos. So the investment property is 1,200,000 pesos and French benefit tax payable is 700,000 pesos. Illustration 1. Free usage of assets. Homer Realty Incorporation designated a unit of its condominium property for the use of its vice president for finance as his family residence. The rental value of the unit for the past calendar quarter would have been 260 pesos. Then solution. French benefit tax expense is 70,000 pesos. French benefit tax payable is 70 pesos. Then the French benefit tax is 200,000 pesos times 50% times 35% and divided by 65% and then a total of 70,000 pesos. Illustration 2. Entries free loans. Petrodrill, an oil exploration company, granted a 1 million interest-free loan to a non-resident managerial employee. The following entries shall be made every quarter after the loan issue. So solution. French benefit tax expense is 10,000. and French benefit tax payable is 10,000. So to get the French benefit tax is you should multiply the 1 million times 12% divided by 4 times 25% divided by 75%. And then the result is 10,000 pesos. So, exempt benefits which do not involve transfer of cash or property. Illustration. Exempt free use of property. Felix is allowing its plant manager to use a residential property nearby its processing plant to ensure the manager's close monitoring of the production processes. The rental value of the property is 40,000 a month. So the no entry is required because it is a free residential property. Integrated Illustration 1. Highland Miner Marketing Cooperative or HMMC furnish its managerial employees a car plan wherein HMMC will purchase cars of their choice worth 1,300,000 pesos. Then 40% of the purchase price will be deductible against future salaries of the employee. HMMC purchase car for its sales manager. So solution, advance to officer, 520,000 pesos. To get the 520,000 pesos, you should multiply the 1,300,000 pesos times 40%. Then French benefit expense, 700,000 pesos. So to get the 700,000 pesos, you should multiply the 1,300,000 pesos times 60%. French benefit tax expense is 420,000 pesos. Then to get that for 400,000 pesos is 780,000 pesos times 35% divided by 65%. Then cash is 1,300,000 pesos and French benefit tax payable is 420,000. Integrated Illustration 2. Marco Realty Corporation transferred ownership over one of its residential property inventories to its vice president at consideration of 450 pesos. The property was acquired for 2 million but has a fair value of 2,400,000 at date of transfer. The French benefit expense shall be measured at the actual cost of property given by the employer, but the French benefit tax shall be measured at the monetary value of benefit 2,400,000 pesos fair value minus 450,000 pesos received. Hence, the cash is 450,000 and the French benefit expense is 2 million minus 450 pesos is equals to 1,550,000 pesos. French benefit tax expense is 1,050,000 pesos and inventory is 2 million. French benefit tax payable is 1,050 pesos. So to get the 1,050 pesos, you should multiply 2,450 pesos minus 450,000 times 35% divided by 65%.